A slave abused by his lord flees to the woodland. There he goes over a line in torment an account of a thistle in his paw. The slave boldly goes ahead and eliminates the thistle. Delicately, the line disappears without harming him. Every so often later, the slave driver comes hunting to the woodland and get many creatures and enclosures them. The slave is spotted by the boss's men who get him and carry him to the pitiless expert. The expert requests the captive to be toasted into the lion's enclosure. The slave is passing in the enclosure when he understands that it is very line that he had made a difference. The slave safeguard the lion and any remaining confined creatures.